to your younger self as you're about to start out on your career, what's one or maybe two pieces of advice that you would give your younger self as she was starting out? Yeah.
I would always say, take advantage of every opportunity in front of you. I think sometimes you're new to your career, or even if it's at school and your professors, and you say, well, I'd like to ask a person a question, but I don't want to bother them, or my question, it might seem silly. When we have our interns coming in or our new employees, we always, say to them in the orientation, we say, we have an open door policy. Come in. If doors closed, get some time on the calendar, sit down. We want to hear from you. We want to help you guys grow in your career, and we want to accelerate your learning curve, because I think someone telling you things is going to help you to learn much quicker than sitting and reading or waiting for that experience to come to you. So what I would say is, when you go into that workplace, I think you feel a little bit intimidated at being the new person and saying, okay, they don't really mean that they want me to come in and ask them questions, but we really do. And so, myself as a manager, I learn from all of the interns and new employees that come in. Some of the first things we say is hey, what apps are you using? We want, people just like you to come to our games. How can we attract you to come to our games? So, I think everybody has a valuable experience, a valuable input to bring. So I would say if you have the opportunity to, speak with your professors, speak with your managers or other people in companies where you're interning, I would definitely make that outreach, and don't be shy or don't be intimidated about it.